Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your girl HR from H&R Detail Critique. I am going to try out these two Superior products today. It's a beautiful day, so I figured this is actually a perfect time to do it. So I'm going to try the Rage, which is a non-acid based wheel cleaner, along with the wire wheel cleaner that is acid based. Now, dilution ratio for the Rage is 4:1. So I actually have my bottle filled here with my water. See if you can see that. This is 18 ounces. And here to the fill line would be 24. So this is going to be 6 ounces from here to there. That's 4:1. The dilution ratio for the wire wheel cleaner actually says for most jobs, dilute 16 to 12 ounces per gallon of water, but I don't have a gallon today. And for heavy duty cleaning and for oxidized aluminum surfaces, increase the dilution to 20 to 30 ounces per gallon. But I'm not going to use a gallon. I'm actually going to use a spray bottle, 24 ounces. I actually love these spray bottles. These are awesome spray bottles, actually. So I just buy the Awesome for $1, pour it out, use the bottle. So I am going to use 2 ounces of the wire wool cleaner today. And we're going to put it in here. So let's start this. We're going to shake it well. Remember this, the Rage is the non-acid based one. So I'm going to fill this to the line. Looks like a lot. Nope, to the line. There we go. Get a towel. One of my old microfiber towels here. I am kind of a neat freak like that. I don't like stuff to be just there. So this is the 4:1 on the Rage. I really can't wait to use this. So that's nice and shaken up. And I had to get some water for the Superior wire wheel cleaner. Shake this up really well. Now this is the acid-based one. So this one, you guys, you want to be really careful. Wear your protective gloves. And I'm going to do 2 ounces. Alright. All that's cleaned up. I'm definitely going to clean all this up later. And then the water. And I debated if I want to do 2 or 4 ounces. But I'm going to start with the 2 and see how that works. And if it's not strong enough, I'll add 2 more to make it 14. So it does create a foam, so that means it's probably soapy, but it's just a little bit of water left. So alrighty. I'm gonna label this bottle acid. Make sure I know what it is, and anyone else who comes in my garage as well. So I'm gonna do this. Invert it a couple times. All right, I think that's shaken well. I think the Rage is shaken well. All right, guys, let's go put it on the wheels.